Most architects still use AutoCAD for drawings, but turning those drawings into presentation takes extra time and tools. With Synaps, you can generate floor plans and even renders using AI much faster. In this video, I will show you how you can move from basic drawings to finalized visuals much faster. Let's open Synaps in my web browser, and on the left side, you will see the workspaces. I will open the default workspace, and from here, I will open my Kitchen Drawing Studio apartment project. Now, here you can see this is the project I was working on. It's a 1 BHK and I created it completely from scratch in Synaps. Honestly, it's very easy and very convenient to create layouts here, much faster compared to traditional CAD workflows. Let me show you how. Simply go to the top toolbar and select the frame option. Create a frame like this, then select it, and from the right hand side properties, you can change the format, orientation, and scale. Now that your frame is set, you can also customize its style like the fill and stroke to create walls. You don't have to use the line tools or polylines like in CAD. You can simply use the wall tool, and the shortcut for wall tool is W. Just click once, enter the dimension, that's it. For example, I will type 120 inches. You can enter all the dimension you need to create a room like this, and here we have created a closed loop. You can also see the dimensions of your walls automatically, which saves a lot of time compared to manual dimensioning in CAD. Now, I will select all the walls and move them to the center of the frame. Then, from the right hand side, I can customize all the wall thickness to 9 inches. If you want to edit a single wall, you can select it individually and customize it as well. Now, select all the walls, go to the fill and choose between solid, texture, hatch or image. I will go with the solid fill and select a gray color. You can also adjust the opacity if needed. Next, I will go to stroke, change it to black and set the thickness to 2 points. Actually, I think 1 point looks cleaner. Now, if you notice some extension lines, you can clean them up. Just select the walls, go to the properties, change the line cap and adjust the line join. Now it looks much neater and professional. Again, something that makes more effort in traditional CAD. Next, let's add floorings. Go to the top toolbar, select the rectangle tool and create a rectangle inside the room. Then, go to the right hand side properties, select fill and choose texture. Here you will find a lot of inbuilt textures in Synaps. Select one, adjust the opacity, scale and rotation. You can even upload your own custom textures if you want. Once you are satisfied, remove the stroke, we only need the texture. If the wall strokes are not visible, just go to the layers, select the frame and rearrange the layers. And that's how easy layer management in Synaps, more visual compared to CAD. Now, from the top toolbar, select the opening tool. You can easily add doors and from the right hand side, customize properties like swing, direction, inside or outside. To add window, simply select the opening and from the properties, change the type to window. Then you can easily customize the size and adjust it. It's very smooth and intuitive. Now that we have created the room, let's add furniture. Go to the furniture blocks on the left hand side and search for elements you need. Kitchen, bathroom, toilet, anything. I will select a bed, drag and drop it, rotate it and place it wherever I want. You can also scale it easily. This drag and drop workflow is much faster than importing blocks manually in CAD. If you want to edit any block, just double click, make the changes and click done. Very simple and efficient. So that's how you create layouts in Synaps. But here's where it gets even better. We created this manually, but you can also use AI to generate layouts. Let's create a frame again. Now, I will draw a rectangle, go to the bottom prompt bar, switch to layout and type a prompt like create 1 BHK apartment. Send the prompt and AI will generate a layout for you. And this is a huge advantage of Synaps. You don't have to start from scratch. AI gives you base layout that you can fully customize. Here you can see the generated plan. It may not be perfect, but half of your work is already done. You can edit the walls, delete unnecessary elements, and refine it quickly. This saves a lot of time compared to drawing everything manually in CAD. Now, let me show you something more. I want to create detailed drawing of this kitchen. I have already done that. These are the detailed interior drawings I created in Synaps. Yes, all of this is done in Synaps. They look clean, presentable, and well structured with textures and details. I have created section AA, section BB, and details section all from scratch, and it took much less time compared to usual CAD workflow. Now, let me show you how to create details like this. I will take the polyline tool and create a shape like this. For example, a drawer. Make sure it's a closed loop. Then go to stroke, set it to black and add a fill, maybe white, and reduce the opacity. Now go to stroke again, reduce the thickness from 0.8 to 0.4. Then I go to the stroke properties, enable dashed line, adjust the sequence. Now you can see the dashed representation of drawer opening. Next, use the dimension tool from the top toolbar, select 2 points, press enter, and your dimension is added. You can also use the text tool to create labels. For example, I will write breakfast table, then customize the font size and style from the right hand side. To connect labels, use the line or polyline tool to create arrows. So that's how you add annotations and dimensions in Synaps. Very smooth and very straightforward. Now comes another powerful feature. You don't need to switch between multiple softwares to create renders. Everything inside Synaps. Just select the camera tool from the top toolbar and position it in the room. From the right hand side, adjust the focal length and height and preview the scene. Now, select the room, switch to render from the prompt bar and type the prompt like create a realistic render of this bedroom. Send it and within seconds it generates a render. This is a huge advantage over CAD. In one software, you are creating layouts, drawings, and renders without switching tools. Now, let's refine it. I will add a prompt, add a bed. It generates another version. Wow! It looks good. It understood the proportions. Then I will make the window full height, and then I will change the theme to beige tone. Look at this, amazing. Each step creates a new variation, showing your design process. This workflow is something you simply don't get in traditional CAD. You can experiment, explore, and visualize ideas instantly. It's a different way of working, less technical, more visual, and faster when you are exploring ideas. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and you will find the link in description to try out Synaps. I am Kritika, and I will see you in the next one.